I'm Lu Fan from Ningbo EXW. We have been practicing the 6S management system for over 20 years, and each month we generate around 100 improvement points. These come from our employees' ideas and actions to make work safer, more efficient, and better organized. So what exactly are these improvement points? Let's take a look together. Lean begins from the heart, and improvement never ends. At Ningbo EXW, 6S is not just a system, it's a habit. We start from the details, making standards part of our daily mindset, simplifying the complex, persisting in the simple, and putting our heart into every repeated task. Each improvement we make helps us build a safer, more efficient, and better workplace. Thank you for watching and supporting Ningbo EXW. See you next time.